Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to reset your Trezor Safe 3 PIN. It's a common concern, but don't worry, your funds are safe as long as you have your recovery seed. This seed, typically a list of 12 to 24 words, is your true key to your digital assets. The PIN simply protects physical access to your device. We'll walk through each step carefully to get your Trezor back in action with a brand new PIN. To begin the reset process, you first need to put your Trezor Safe 3 into bootloader mode. Start by opening the Trezor Suite application on your computer. Next, take your Trezor device and connect its USB cable to your computer. As you plug in the cable, make sure you are simultaneously holding down the left button on your Trezor. This action will initiate the bootloader mode, which is essential for the next steps. Now that your Trezor is in bootloader mode, you can proceed with the factory reset. On your device screen, press the right button to navigate and select the menu option. From there, scroll to find Factory Reset. To confirm this action, you will need to press both buttons on your Trezor simultaneously. A warning will appear, informing you that all data, including your PIN and firmware, will be erased. Confirm this to wipe your device clean. With your device factory reset, it's time to recover your wallet and set a new PIN. Reconnect your Trezor Safe 3 to your computer and open Trezor Suite. You will be prompted to install the latest firmware. Once that's done, select the Recover Wallet option. Carefully enter your 12 to 24 word recovery seed phrase as instructed. After successful recovery, you will be guided to create a brand new PIN for your device, securing your assets once more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.